Hello, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. I am so happy you were here today. This is your safe place to practice. Today, we are going to talk about something we do every week, going to the supermarket. Do you get nervous when you go to the grocery store in an English-speaking country? Maybe you cannot find the milk. Maybe you do not know how to ask for help. Do not worry. By the end of this lesson, you will feel ready. You will feel confident. This episode is perfect for you if you want English listening practice that is calm and clear. I am a native English speaker, but I will speak slowly. This is slow English designed just for you. We will focus on daily English conversation that happens in real life. You will learn specific words for food, for the store, and for asking questions. You will learn real American English that people use every single day. Sit back, relax. Or maybe you are walking or washing dishes. That's okay. Just listen to my voice. Let's begin our easy English lesson about shopping at the supermarket. First, let's imagine we are walking into the store. The doors open automatically. What is the first thing you see? Usually, you see carts and baskets. A cart is the big metal wagon on wheels. You push it. You put a lot of food inside. If you need to buy food for a whole week, you take a cart. A basket is smaller. You carry it in your hand. If you only need a few things, like bread and eggs, you take a basket. Now, let us walk into the store. The store is divided into sections. These sections are often called aisles. A-I-S-L-E, but we say aisle. The S is silent. An aisle is the long path you walk down. On both sides of the aisle, there are shelves. The shelves hold the food. Cereal boxes are on the shelf. Cans of soup are on the shelf. Let's talk about the different sections. The first section is usually produce. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. Apples, bananas, carrots, lettuce. This is the produce section. Everything here is fresh. Next, we might find the bakery. Can you smell the bread? The bakery is where they bake fresh bread, cookies, and cakes. Then we have the dairy section. Dairy means food made from milk. Milk is dairy. Cheese is dairy. Yogurt is dairy. Butter is dairy. This section is usually cold. It is in a refrigerator. Sometimes you cannot find what you want. The store is too big. You look up at the signs, but you are confused. You need to find the rice. Or maybe you need to find the peanut butter. You look in aisle 3. No. You look in aisle 4. No. What do? You need to ask for help. Asking for help can be scary, but it is easy if you know the right phrases. The most important phrase is, "Excuse me." You say this to be polite. You can say it to a worker in the store. "Excuse me." Then you ask your question. "Where can I find the milk?" Or, "Where is the bread?" Sometimes you want to know if they have a specific item. You can ask, "Do you have any fresh apples?" Now you say it. "Do you have any fresh apples?" Try it with a different food. "Do you have any chicken?" Now you say it. "Do you have any chicken?" Imagine you are looking for the price. You want to know how much money it costs. "How much is this?" Now you say it. "How much is this?" Excellent. Let's try a longer sentence. "Excuse me, how much are these bananas?" Now you say it. "Excuse me, how much are these bananas?" Now imagine you are at the checkout. You are talking to the cashier. I would like to pay with cash. Now you say it. I would like to pay with cash. Or maybe you use a card. Can I pay with a credit card? Now you say it. Can I pay with a credit card? The cashier might ask you a question. Would you like a receipt? You can answer, yes, please. Now you say it. Yes, please. Or you can say no. No, thank you. Now you say it. No, thank you. Let's practice being polite. When you leave, say goodbye. Have a nice day. Now you say it. Have a nice day. Let's do that again. It is a very nice thing to say. Thank you, have a nice day. Now you say it. Thank you, have a nice day. You are doing a great job. This is real American English. People say these things every day. Repetition helps you remember. Let's do a few more phrases about problems. Maybe the machine is broken. The machine is not working. Now you say it. The machine is not working. Maybe you made a mistake. I don't want this item. Now you say it. I don't want this item. Maybe you need a bag. Can I have a plastic bag, please? Now you say it. Can I have a plastic bag, please? Or maybe you brought your own bag. I have my own bag. Now you say it. I have my own bag. Good work. Take a deep breath. You are practicing hard. Your English is getting better. Now I want to tell you a story. Listening to stories is the best way to learn. This is a simple story about a man named Tom. Tom needs to go to the supermarket. Please listen. Try to understand the words we just learned. Tom is at home. He looks in his refrigerator. It is empty. There is no milk. There are no eggs. There is no cheese. Tom is hungry. He decides to go to the supermarket.
Tom picks up his car keys. He drives to the big store called Super Fresh. He parks his car. He walks to the entrance. Tom needs a lot of food today, so he grabs a shopping cart. The cart is big and silver. One wheel makes a funny noise. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Tom walks into the store. First, he goes to the produce section. He sees beautiful red apples. He puts 5 apples in a bag. He puts the bag in his cart. Then he sees yellow bananas. He takes a bunch of bananas. Next, Tom goes to the bakery. The smell is wonderful. It smells like warm sugar. Tom buys a loaf of fresh bread. He puts the bread gently in his cart. He does not want to squish the bread. Tom looks at his list. He needs rice, but he does not know where the rice is. He looks at the signs above the aisles. Aisle 1 says soap. Aisle 2 says soda. Tom is confused. He sees a woman working in the store. She is wearing a green uniform. Tom feels a little nervous, but he remembers his English practice. He walks up to her. "Excuse me," Tom says. The woman smiles. "Yes, how can I help you?" she asks. Tom asks, "Where can I find the rice?" The woman points her finger. "The rice is in aisle 5, she says. "It is on the bottom shelf." "Thank you very much," Tom says. "You are welcome," says the woman. Tom goes to aisle 5. He looks at the bottom shelf. There it is, a big bag of white rice. He puts it in his cart. Squeak, squeak, squeak goes the cart. Finally, Tom has everything. He has milk, eggs, cheese, apples, bananas, bread, and rice. He goes to the checkout. The line is short. He puts his food on the black belt. The belt moves the food to the cashier. "Hello," says the cashier. "Did you find everything okay?" "Yes, I did. Thank you," says Tom. The cashier scans the items. Beep, beep, beep. "That will be $45, says the cashier. Tom opens his wallet. He takes out his credit card. He puts the card in the machine. It works. "Do you want your receipt?" asks the cashier. "Yes, please," says Tom. He takes the receipt. He puts his bags in the cart. "Have a nice day," says Tom. "You too," says the cashier. Tom walks to his car. He is happy. He bought good food, and he spoke English. It was a successful trip. Did you understand the story? It used all the words we practiced: cart, produce, bakery, aisle, shelf, cashier, receipt. Now I have a little homework for you. Homework is good for learning. Next time you go to the supermarket, I want you to look around. Say the English words in your head. When you see a banana, think banana. When you see the checkout, think checkout. If you are brave, you can try to ask a question in English. Just try, "Excuse me." It is good practice. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast today. I hope this lesson helps you. Remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. You are doing great. If you liked this English listening practice, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make more lessons for you. I post new lessons every week to help you speak confidently. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.